section rock ya. With the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any on the rock ya.
We are not the same, yeah. Them a kill you all when you try save them. See the goal and one cut the chain neck. I can.
So viewer subscriber, me know you see the news already. Yeah man, Jahshii almost lose his life yesterday on his birthday. Yeah man, the man them come for Jahshii brawling. But it's a good thing Jahshii switch his car. The car where Jahshii pull up, you know, Jahshii switch the car in the last minute. And that saved Jahshii life. Yeah man, the man then come for Jahshii brawling on his birthday, brother. You see me? And me feel like, as me say, this is all based off Romy's death, alleged Romy's death. You see me? They must say Jahshii was involved and a bag of things. And as me say in my last video, the Romy alleged brother say him want like revenge. Him now stop till him get revenge. You see me? So basically I hit a kick off. And in my last video, you know me that say I don't know what Jahshii gonna do. Because I know Jahshii is an entertainer, he have to show up at places for perform and then some of them can come film there, you see me? But I don't know, as an entertainer, it's like Jahshii have to go left Jamaica, to be honest, be a subscriber. Because if you pray the rest of the artists them, you see from them get them visa, them gone. And I sell out Jamaica, you know. But the man them gone, brother, because the man them know how Jamaica system stay. You see me? Is it that you see if under the police or people are trying to take you out? You see me? So I don't know what Jahshii gonna really do. But I guess Jahshii have to just left Jamaica. You see me? Left Jamaica and live abroad. Look and squash them, alkaline them, and most of the comedians them were live in a badness. Them left Jamaica. Because you don't know say yo, if I know the system a fight you, a bad mind people are trying to put you 6 feet under, you see me? Yeah man. So I guess that Jahshii have to go do for protect himself. Plus you know say Jahshii have a mother out there, you know say anything can happen. You see me? But as me say the man them go for Jahshii on his birthday and the entertainer actually speak out. So I go read what him say and make you see what really are going, you see me? So the entertainer made this post to his IG page, and as I can see, it's like a picture of Jahshii when he was younger and he cut his birthday cake, you see me? And Jahshii made a caption under the picture and it says, "Them a try YF." And that basically I show you, say the entertainer see the pre and him know what really are going, you see me? The entertainer knows them after him. But me don't know what Jahshii mother do, and it seems like I say it at work. And it's like she just have to continue to do it, you see me? Whatever prayer she a pray, she have to continue to pray that the prayer there, you see me? Because as me say, the man them choose to come for Jahshii on him birthday, brother. On him birthday. You see me? Yo, me don't know. Jahshii need to get some real security, bro. Because at the end of the day, the entourage you're par with, the man they can't protect you, bro. They need some real security beside you. You see me? Yo, I really don't know what Jahshii gonna do. As me say, it's even like say you need to leave Jamaica, but at the end of the day, you don't know say Jahshii is a performer, so it's not like say he can leave Jamaica and say I go hide out. That not gonna work because that basically I go just finish his career. You see me? And as me say already, you don't look good on Jahshii's side. Because you don't know when they're going to fall back because you don't know the mission never complete for them. But the entertainer really needs some real security around him. You see me? Some security where no say, yo, them have to do whatever it takes to protect the entertainer. You see me? So, I don't know what Jahshii really are going to do. That's just my opinion. You see me? When you come think about it. This is just a little short video to keep an update. But what really are going, you see me? Yeah man, so remember subscribe to 4K Shell Energy if you're new to the channel. Run this up to 1,000, you see me? Catch you now in the next one.